Hello viewers, here is an English pronunciation application. Dear viewers, here is an English pronunciation application for you. This application is launched by English and Foreign Languages University, Hyderabad, and this application has been launched by with the help of Union Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, and has been the responsible of English and Foreign Language University, which is recently made an application for the development of Indian English pronunciation exclusively for the students who are beginners to develop their English pronunciation. They have an application which is available in Google Play Store. After downloading this application, you have to sign up your details and then log in, where you will have to be asked your personal details, like you have to create a username, then you have to give your original name and the email ID that should be valid, and your mobile number, password, age, profession. If you are a student, you can mention your student, and if you are a academic staff, so whatever position you're holding, you can mention here. So this is a register. After registering your details, you have to you can be registered here. Then you have to log in the username, password that have been given in the register. After login, the home page will be open like this, where you can see the information about the university and about the application, and you can see what the content is available. You will have to go through the model 1, model 2, model 3 and model 4. In model 1, you will be learning about English vowel sounds. There are 6 lessons you will be learning. Then in model 2, you will be learning about English vowel sounds. 3 lessons will be available. Then model 3, you will have to learn consonant sounds. And in model 4, you'll be going into practice a few English words. So after learning all these model, you will be successfully completed English pronunciation. If you are beginners, if you have recently completed your higher education, I mean the school education, it is better to go into the application. Here you will have to know your profile, your complete details here. Then you may, if you want to leave the application, you can log out. And before that, we shall be looking into the model. In the first model, here is an word. If you press any word, it will be so it will give you correct pronunciation. If you are pressing on the word east, then street. Okay, now you are learning only the vowel sounds available in these given words. Reason. Okay, then in model 2, you will have to learn again vowel sounds. Bay. So based on bay, you can have some other words which is resemble to bay. Able, page. Then in model 3, jeep. Fridge. Then the fourth model will be
Module 4. In this module, we learn how to use some commonly used words. Many of these words are often mispronounced. Currently, the module has 30 words. Listen to each word and practice saying it. Then you can listen to a sentence that uses the word.
So this is how the application has been made for the beginners. I hope that you will download this application, develop your English pronunciation. Thank you. In Module 4, you have a list of vocabulary, and press any word which you are interested to learn. You will have to learn a sentence based on the word that you have chosen. For example, if you are pressing on the word zero,
Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius.
water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. So not only that, you are learning the meaning of the word, you will get the full sentence using that particular word here.
Violent.
Violent. Sentence here.
The opposition grew more violent as elections neared.
Then we shall look at the word university.
University. Rahim's first year in the university was a cakewalk.
Then, so most important that many of us pronounce the word.
Tour.
So we generally pronounce tour. So not to pronounce tour, but pronounce as
Tour.
tour.
Mrs. Shastri went on a tour of Europe.
Then
Suggestions. Suggestions. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Spoon.
Then another most important mispronunciation is
Resume.
we pronounce resume. So this is a mispronunciation.
Resume.
So hereafter we should pronounce this word resume.
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 Then
Receipt.
what we generally pronounce this word receipt. Not to pronounce receipt, but
Receipt.
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 Be careful. Don't lose the receipt.
So I hope that you will download and learn all the modules given in the application. Thank you.